Do you ever feel like you're overusing thank you? Don't worry, you're not alone. Here are 10 creative ways to express gratitude and make others feel truly appreciated. Let's upgrade your English. Hey everyone, welcome back to English Phrases Hub. Does thank you feel like the only phrase you use? While thank you is always polite, using the same phrase over and over can sound repetitive. If you want to express gratitude in a way that's more sincere, creative, and natural, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share 10 unique ways to say thank you that will help you sound more fluent and confident in English. Let's dive in. Phrase 1, I really appreciate it. When to use it. Use this phrase when someone puts in extra effort to help you, whether by assisting with a task or offering valuable advice. Tip, make it more specific by saying, I really appreciate your time, support, effort. Conversation example. I stayed late to help you finish the project. I really appreciate it. I couldn't have done it without you. Phrase 2, you made my day. When to use it. Use this phrase to express joy and appreciation when someone does something thoughtful or unexpected that brightens your day. This phrase is best suited for casual or semi-formal situations. Conversation example.
I got you your favorite coffee on my way here.
Wow, thank you. You made my day. Phrase 3, I can't thank you enough. When to use it. Use this phrase when you feel deeply grateful and a simple thank you doesn't seem enough to express your appreciation. This phrase is perfect for serious or heartfelt moments. Conversation example. I know you were struggling, so I took care of everything for you.
Wow, I can't thank you enough. That really means a lot to me.
Phrase 4, that's so thoughtful of you. When to use it. Use this phrase to show appreciation when someone does something considerate or personalized just for you. Tip, this phrase emphasizes that you recognize and value the other person's effort and kindness. Conversation example. I remembered you love this book, so I got you a copy.
Wow, that's so thoughtful of you. I really appreciate it.
Phrase 5, I owe you one. When to use it. This casual phrase is great for showing appreciation when someone does you a favor, implying that you'll return the kindness in the future. Tip, it's commonly used in friendly, informal settings. Only use it if you're comfortable and willing to return the favor. Conversation example.
I picked up lunch for you since I knew you were busy.
Thanks. I owe you one. If you're excited to try these phrases, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I share tons of videos to help you sound more natural in English. Now let's jump back into the list. Phrase 6, I'm truly grateful. When to use it. This phrase is perfect for expressing deep, heartfelt appreciation when someone has done something meaningful for you. Tip, you can make it even more personal by adding specifics like, I'm truly grateful for your support, help, kindness. Conversation example. I'm always here if you need anything. That means so much to me. I'm truly grateful for your support. Thanks a million. When to use it. This is a fun, casual way to exaggerate your gratitude when someone helps you out or does something kind. Tip, perfect for friendly and informal situations. You can also say thanks a ton or thanks a bunch for variety. Conversation example. I grabbed an extra ticket for you to the concert.
No way. Thanks a million. You're the best.
Phrase 8, you're a lifesaver. When to use it. Use this phrase when someone rescues you from a tough situation or helps you when you really need it. Tip, this is a casual and enthusiastic way to show appreciation, often used when feeling relieved or grateful for quick help. Conversation example.
I printed out your report since I knew you were running late.
Wow, you're a lifesaver. I don't know what I would have done without you. Phrase 9, much obliged. When to use it. This phrase is a polite and slightly formal way to express gratitude, often used in professional or traditional settings. Tip, It's commonly heard in British English or in old-fashioned speech, but it can still be used today for a touch of charm. Conversation example.
I've reserved a seat for you at the meeting.
Much obliged. I really appreciate it. Phrase 10. Endless thanks to you. When to use it. Use this phrase when you want to express profound and continuous gratitude, especially for ongoing support or a major favor. Tip. This phrase adds extra warmth and sincerity. You can also say endless thanks for your kindness, help, support. Conversation example. I've been helping out with your project behind the scenes. Wow, I had no idea. Endless thanks to you for all your support. Thanks so much for watching today's video on 10 unique ways to say thank you. I hope these phrases help you express gratitude more naturally and confidently in English. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips. And of course, subscribe to English Phrases Hub for more practical lessons every week. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.